Good morning, boys and girls. We are in, drum roll please, a new chapter. So we are also in our new book, and if you haven't gotten it already, or you didn't notice that we finished the other book because there were a few pages left, go ahead and get out your new one. This is page 398. It's at the very beginning of our book. I know that we've already used some of the chapters in the second book at the beginning of the school year, but I want to go through this and try to get through as much of it as we can for the rest of the year. All right. So to review, let's complete this graphic organizer. We have the words edge, flat surface, and vertex, and this is going along this line right there, and it's at the bottom. This is going to where these two lines meet, and this looks like it's pointing at the full thing. So edge is where those lines meet. This and the bottom meet. That is an edge. This right here is a flat surface. And another way to write it, or another way to call it, is a face. Okay, so this is a cube, and it has 1, 2, 3, the back of this 4, this 5, and then the bottom is 6. It has 6 faces, or 6 flat surfaces. And so that means that the vertex, we should know, is where these corners, where it makes a corner, where it makes an angle. All right. Here is a little thing that'll help you. It says, what am I? And what you do is you put down the answers, right? 5 minus 2, what is that? A 3. So every time you see a 3 in here, you write the letter that goes with it. Okay. 18 minus 3 equals B. So the answer, 18 minus 3, if we count backwards, 17, right? 17, 16, 15. I go back 3, so that's 15. Every time I see a 15, I'm going to write B, and I'll let you do the rest. We have one vocabulary card, and it's compatible numbers. Now, we've done a lot of talking with this, and when I look at the other side, compatible numbers that help you add mentally, okay? And so we've done a lot of practice with this all year long, where we've talked about our doubles, right? 4 plus 4 is a double, makes 8, and 7 plus 3 is a set that makes 10. Okay, lots and lots of practice with that, and I didn't cut it out because there's only one this chapter. All right, now we get on to page 399. Model 231. Make a quick sketch. So here we go. 231. Remember, 200 would be 2 of these. These are flat surfaces or faces. Then 30 would be 1, 2, 3 sets of 10, 10, 20, 30, and then 1 in the ones column, right? So that's 231. Model 10 more than 231. 10 more would mean I have this as my model to begin with, but then I have to add, what? 10 more. So that makes, what, 241. Then model 100 more than 231. So I'll do my model just like this. That's 200, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 231. And then what did it ask for? 100 more. So I don't add one more of these. I add one more 100. So if I add 100 to 231, what do I get? I get 331. All right. We turn this over. If I am adding if I want to make the digit in the ones place increase by 1, right? 246 plus 10 more. The digit in tens place increases by 1. It starts out, it's a 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 sets of 10. But I'm making it go up 1 more set of 10. Not just one more set of 10. And then this one is 1 more set of 100. Okay? So we have been practicing over and over all of these numbers, this addition facts, and I know that 4 plus 1 is going to equal 5. I know that 2 plus 1 is going to equal 3, but I have to remember that it's the tens place and it's the hundreds place. So 246 plus 10 more, I make the tens place go up by 1, 256. And this one, the hundreds place, goes up by 1. So instead of 246, now I have 346. Okay? Sometimes when you add 10, the digits in the tens places and the hundreds place change. So we've talked about this before as well. 390, that's one set away from becoming another set of 100, one set of 10 away. So 39 tens plus 1 more 10 is going to make 39 plus 1 more is 40. So, and 40 tens. So 390 plus 10 more is 400, because we know that 40 tens is 400. All right. So I can do it. I know that you can do it. I want you to practice adding tens and adding hundreds. Do the rest of these on page 400. Do the beginning of, there we go. Do the beginning of 401. You should be able to go through this and come up with all of our answers. All right. I will post the answers at 2 o'clock, and I hope you have a fantastic day. All right. Get started.